Hello and welcome back to our Keep Learning English. Today we're going to a cozy cafe. Imagine it's a lovely Saturday morning. Ready? Let's begin. It's Saturday morning. Lisa goes to her favorite cafe. She wants to drink coffee and read her book. When she enters, the waiter smiles and says, "Good morning. How are you today?" Lisa answers, "I'm fine, thank you." The waiter gives her a menu. Lisa looks at it carefully. She sees many types of coffee and pastries. It all looks so good. What will she choose? She decides and says, "I'd like a cappuccino and a croissant, please." The waiter writes her order and says with a friendly voice, "Coming right up." This means her order will be ready very soon. Lisa finds a nice table and sits near the window. The sunlight is warm. She opens her book and starts reading. Soft, gentle music plays in the background, making the cafe feel very peaceful. It's the perfect atmosphere for a relaxing morning. Soon, the waiter brings her coffee and her food. The cappuccino has a beautiful foam heart on top, and the croissant is golden brown. It smells delicious. Lisa says with a happy smile. The aroma of fresh coffee fills the air. She takes a small sip of her coffee. It's warm and tasty. She drinks her coffee slowly and enjoys her quiet morning, reading her book and watching people walk by outside the window. It's moments like these that make the weekend special. After finishing her delicious breakfast, she gets ready to leave. She goes to the counter and says, "Thank you. The coffee was great." The waiter smiles back and says, "You're welcome. Have a nice day." Lisa leaves the cafe feeling happy and relaxed. It was a wonderful start to her day. And that's our story for today. I hope you enjoyed this trip to the cafe with Lisa. Practicing these simple conversations can really help you feel more confident. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more stories. Thank you for watching and see you next time.